First, start by engaging the indexing plungers on either side of the vertical rails. Each is spring-loaded and correspond with hooks built into the bottom of the bed platform brackets. Align the hooks with the plungers and hang the platform on either end. This will now hold the weight, and you can just rotate the platform up and into position. Once latched at the top, you are then ready to sleep. To stow the platforms vertically, start by retracting the spring plungers nearest the platform hooks and rotating the knobs to lock them out. This will free the platform to rotate around its latches. Next, rotate the platforms vertically against the wall and engage the indexing plungers on both rails nearest the latch mechanism. These plungers will lock against the platform bracket, securing it in place. Having mattresses on the bed in this position helps stabilize the platform. To lock the platform at a 45-degree angle, retract the indexing plungers on both rails and rotate the platform approximately 45 degrees. Align the locking hole in the platform bracket with the indexing plunger. The plunger pin will automatically spring engage when aligned properly. If it doesn't engage immediately, adjust the platform slightly until the pin locks into the bracket fully. This position is great when additional clearance under the bed is desired. To remove a platform using the indexing plungers, first engage the plungers on both rails. This will capture the platform hooks and support the platform's weight when released. Next, lift the platform slightly to take the weight off the latches, and then pull the release lever near your right hand to release the latch mechanism. The platform will then be held in place by the hooks and plungers. Rotate the platform downward until it hangs vertically, then lift it off the hooks to remove or reposition it. To adjust the platform without using the indexing plungers, guide the jaws of the platform latches onto the dowels at your preferred height. To remove the platforms without the indexing plungers, you must support and balance its weight. Ensure you support the platform nearest the wall before pulling the release lever to disengage the latches.